This conference will now be recorded.
In account, time. So all these are in the account. Number and children is not working for us, so that I'll take all the base levels. Here also I'll take the base levels. Working out. So change balance sheet. I'm taking here all these things. These are the page access. What I'm going to do now here, I will take only the ID. Now this is my report. So I'm going to view format. So here my header, format cells, borders, same thing here. Here also I'm going to take border. And fill my color. Okay, come to here, options, taking out, let apply formatting. Okay, so now this is my report. These are my account here. Remove the grid. Okay, so this is my comments. So what I'm going to do here, my comment here, so I want to enter options, use as input form, and coming to layout, I will take time as, okay, I'll keep this one, and here category, move to column access. I'm taking here my category is actual and plan. Okay, now, okay, okay. So actual and plan for each and every month. So what I'm taking now, I will take this one here equal to EPM context member of my time, all dimensions you wanted to take here, whatever the dimensions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and measures 7, including measure. It is a by default measure, by default dimension, that is 7 dimension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we have. The next one equal to EPM context member of account dimension also I wanted to take here because that is not there, and equal to EPM context member of category. All dimensions I want to take here. Delete this. Now my this one I'll take as 1 month. I'm taking now because it is very easy to observe. My plan data, my actual data. Category, yeah, ID. Right. So for this comment, I wanted to write, this is the Excel function here. I wanted to write something here. If I entered here plan, for example, 45. So Jan plan was submitted. This is my comment. But this is, there is no EPM functionality here to save in the database. Just it is this Excel one, and it is not connected to any EPM. So what I will do here to connect that EPM, so this is my report, just showing you that. I will hide this like this. I can give you here the EPM comment. This is EPM comment, for example. The functionality I'm writing here, why I'm going to write here and why we cannot keep here, that I'll explain you. Just I'm writing the EPM function here is equal to EPM save comment of cell. Yesterday we have taken the same cell reference. That is the reason every time on the formula, a EPM function, any EPM function is like a formula. On that formula, it is writing. When I'm entering here, it is overwriting and the formula is going to erase. So that means there is no EPM save comment formula here. That is the reason we faced yesterday issues. So now I'm taking this cell reference of this one. Okay. And connection name, I'll tell you about for that. And the member here, I'm taking the first this one. These are all context members here. OLAP members are otherwise member constant, always constant those are, and the member 2 this one, and member 3 this one, and this is member 4. My time here, my actuals here, A9 my account, and my actuals. So just click OK and refresh this. First, when you create the EPM save command, you will get /rfr refresh. It will go out, but the function will still remain here for you. So what I'm doing now, just going to save this report input form. Sorry, not report, it is an input form. So what I'm going to do here, instead of reports, I'll create under input schedules. Create a folder, input forms. Here I'm going to save now that save comment underscore input form. This one Excel SM save. So I saved my input form here in the server. Now I'm going to refresh. Yes. For example, I'm going to submit here 45 and Jan plan data was submitted. Check whether all these are base level or not. BS 0001 is not base, but here this one is the base one. Okay, for this account I'm going to save, not this account. So under this we are getting all these accounts. For this account I'm saving. Now you go and save one data record and one comment will be sent, both one data record and one comment. Just click as one data record. This is saved data count. Here this is succeeded. Click OK. Now these two are saved, but if I'm giving you this one, I cannot hide this. If I hide this, it won't work for us because it was the hided column. EPM function was hide. So what I will do this, without hiding this, whenever this is a just fundamental rule, keep in our mind that user will confuse this. Both will be Jan plan data, Jan plan data. Both comments are there. For which one he is going to submit, he will confuse. We know as a technical consultant at the report developer, input form developer, we know that this is a APM function we have written. Always user will input here the comment. If he is going to input here, the comment will EPM function will erase. So that is the one point. That's what we have given this comment column for him. Do we have here for this? And BS 121 plan submitted. I have written here this one. There is no comment here. Formula. It won't take the system. For example, here you have 46 plan data. This actual you will get anyhow from the system. We will everything we will give this one as we will restrict this actual data. Uh, Not here. This actual we will go in the EPM formatting, and uh, we will provide here the restricted that one for that particularly, or otherwise we can use a macro to restrict these columns, grayed out for this and all. So now here the same copy and paste formula here. If you copy and paste the formula, see here, if you go and see here, flat file, this was it is not considering, and your formula is considering the empty cell here. That means one is down here, and this is also it is taking down. So if you are copy and paste, so in this case what we will do, we will make constants for some cells here. If I go to this one, F11, F11, this is the cell, and you wanted to go next one is the F12. Don't take this one, but the member A4 should be the constant here. A5 always for this one, and not China. You can do the constant. Local currency always. Next one periodic always. Next one 2007. You may change this one. This one. So that is the reason what we do. That one we will leave. And account also, accounts should get different things. So accounts also we will leave. And the actual here What is this? Actually, we need to post for plan. So, okay. So what I'm going to do now, this one I'll do as of now. Click OK, and I will change my this one for plan data. I'm posting, right. So refresh. This is now, it is fine. And when I'm going to change my this one as quarter, yeah, now the comment also it is moved to right. When I'm taking 1 2 3, comment also move to right, and it is the formula still remains here. That means the report dynamically, if you are changing the time also, even report is expanded, as well as with that your comment also moved. So I'm going here, changing for fourth. First 1 month you have taken, that is fine. Again I'm taking here. So dynamically it is moving the report as per user requirement, and also the comment also it is not moving the functionality function formula is not moving anywhere. So if I copy and paste this, see here F2, okay, it is taking 2014 this one, and it is not taking here. That is the reason what I'll do here. Cancel the first one, effects, F8 also. I'm going to do this.
Then we have to do F9 also. A9.
A9, if you are taking this cells should be okay. ఒక్క నిమిషం అండి, అందుకే చేస్తున్నాను అది. సో హౌ కెన్ వి మేక్ ద this formula function I mean proper. So I'm going to here for plan, right? Now I changed my plan version. Here plan I'm entering the value here 46, and BS111 plan submitted. Okay, I'm going to remove this. Save. Yes, both are accepted. Fine. Refresh. See, ఇక్కడ రెండు మనకి మీరు చూస్తే both for the second account also BS111 we have here, because here I have written the function. For example, if I'm copying to here the
అప్పుడప్పుడు
function,
10 బదులు
if I
C11 పెడితే సరు C11 పెడితే సరిపోతుందండి.
right, so I don't want to see here, because if I click here F2, this will always వీటిని చూస్తుంది మీకు ఇక్కడ అకౌంట్స్ ని తీసుకోవట్లేదు. సో that means here instead of A9 I wanted to keep here C11.
11.
11. So if I'm going to refresh, so this is ఇప్పుడు ఇంతకుముందు దీనికి పోస్ట్ అయింది డేటా, బట్ దీనికి కాదు కదా పోస్ట్ అయ్యేది, దీనికి పోస్ట్ అవ్వాలి డేటా. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్. నౌ ఇదేం చేస్తున్నా అంటే కంట్రోల్ సి, ఆల్ ఆర్ కాన్స్టెంట్, అండ్ జస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు సేవ్ నౌ here and refresh. So this function f2, sorry, this function when I'm going to f2, ఇవన్నీ చూస్తుంది మనకి all base numbers as well as this one. It is looking now. So you are posting for this account. So next, this one, here you have f2, అన్ని same base, and it is looking for this one. And if I'm coming to down third one, f2 pressing, this all these things, this one. So this is the way we can prepare our report. ఇంకొకటి కూడా చెప్తున్నాను, అంటే ఇది కూడా పోస్ట్ చేస్తాం. ఫస్ట్ యాక్చువల్స్ పోస్ట్ చేద్దాం. మీకు యాక్చువల్స్ లేవు కాబట్టి దాంట్లో
EPM కమెంట్ అనేది మనం హైడ్ చేయలేమా అండి?
ఈపీఎం కమెంట్ చేస్తాను, అదే చేస్తాను, అది అక్కడికే వస్తాను మళ్ళీ. ఎందుకు అని అంటే యూజర్ కెన్ కదా. సో ఇప్పుడు నేనేం చేస్తున్నానంటే యాక్చువల్ డేటాను పోస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను 2017-14కి. సో ఫ్లాట్ ఫైల్, చైనా ఇవన్నీ తీసుకుంటున్నాను. దెన్ ఇవి అకౌంట్స్ తీసుకుంటున్నాను. సో యాక్చువల్ డేటాను పోస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను ఆన్ యాక్చువల్. Save data, 8 records. These 8 records will post to actuals. Now when I'm going to refresh, this will still remain here. When I'm going to change, I need both plan and actuals. Now I'm going to do here $56, save, and data, yes, ఓకే. ఇది ఒక్కటి నేను టెస్ట్ చేస్తానండి, అసలు మనకి ఇది సేవ్ అయిందా, బ్యాక్ ఎండ్లో ఎలా సేవ్ అయింది అనేది. జస్ట్ బిట్ కన్ఫ్యూషన్. RSA1. Yeah. For this 2017 CN, it is plan 56, and it is, so only one account I will take here. Only CN I will take. 3456 in my report. 3456 for this one-to-one account. One-to-one account. So it is in backend. It is saving actual one data plan. This is so fine now. So what I'm doing now here. Okay. PS one-to-one plan data submitted. PS122 plan data submitted. Here 48. Here 78. Let's go. Oh, sorry, I refreshed the data. Yes, 121. $54, 38. Yes, so I'm going to save 2 and 3 comments, 2 records. Already this was there already. That is the reason it's not taking. Already posted. Yes. Now I'm going to refresh. So this is. So in the backend, if you go back and execute CN and actual and plan. So these are the plan data we posted here. So for 111, 121, 211, this one. This is the plan data we posted. Okay, so now we have the actual and plan here. Yeah, coming to your question. So this is fine now. The comment report is working fine now. మీది ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఈ కమెంట్ సెక్షన్ ఏం చేస్తున్నానంటే నేను ఈ కమెంట్ సెక్షన్ని ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు టేక్ సమ్వేర్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ this 60-70 columns. I will keep here, but keep remember this one, no? Where AU AZ, I'm keeping in AZ. I need to make sure that the copy and paste doesn't overlap unless the same size and shape. Okay. Control C. So for example, I'm keeping here in the Z. I'm going to delete this. Oh, okay. If I delete, I have my function, refresh, it is showing as x11. So I wanted to keep to see this x11 as ఇంతకుముందు F11. So it should be F. And it should be C11. Sorry. Yeah, that is fine. C11. Now I'm going to copy and paste till end. Okay, the same thing here in this we got here the same function here when the user entered this one. So this is the way we will prepare this one, the report. Now I'm going to hide this one. This is our comment reports prepared. Input form, comment input form or reports, whatever may be that, we can provide the name. Sorry. Comments input form and EPM server project input form. So now this is my input form. If you go and see here, for example, entered test. So I'm going to save now. One comment will be sent, but you know that the comment functions we have written here, but the user doesn't know that. And also when we are taking this one, you take more this one rows, because you don't know that here when you are changing your this one accounts. For example, BS0 I have taken this much only I got, but if I'm taking so the another one, it may expand. If I'm taking PL1, it may expand not only till here, it will go to here. So that moment also the for you the EPM, why the EPM will work out for you till here how many. So that means you can take more rows. This one, if your report is expanded till here also, user is commenting this, then he can I mean it will work out for him. Why it is showing still here?
అండ్ వన్ మోర్ క్వశ్చన్ అండి. ఇప్పుడు యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నో మీరు ఒక మంత్ ఆర్ ఒక మంత్ కి డేటా ఎంటర్ చేశారు కామెంట్స్. ఇఫ్ సపోజ్
రైట్.
ఇఫ్ యూఆర్ ప్లానింగ్ టు ఎంటర్ కామెంట్స్ ఫర్ ఎ క్వార్టర్, సపోజ్ we have 3 months in a quarter. So if we are entering a plan data for 3 different months, appudu how we have to proceed in that case?
అది కూడా ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ టైం యూ కెన్ టేక్ యాజ్ క్వార్టర్. ఇప్పుడు ఒకటి తీసుకున్నాను, దెన్ యూ టేక్ యాజ్ ఎ క్వార్టర్. సో 3 monthsకి వచ్చింది మీకు. సో ఇది బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ చేస్తున్నాను. బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద వాల్యూస్ యూ హ్యావ్ హియర్, యాక్చువల్ అండ్ ప్లాన్. హియర్ యూ హ్యావ్ యాక్చువల్, యూ గోయింగ్ టు సబ్మిట్ దిస్ వన్. ఓకే. అండ్ ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తారంటే క్వార్టర్ వైజ్ కాబట్టి, సో దట్ ఈస్ బేసికలీ డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్, నేను ఇది మంత్ వైజ్ కాబట్టి మంత్ చెప్పాను దీనికి సబ్మిట్ చేసామని. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ హియర్ 57 030 క్వార్టర్ వైజ్ కదండి ఇది. 2017.Q1 ప్లాన్ సబ్మిటెడ్.
యా, బట్ మనం బేస్ లెవెల్ ఎంటర్ చేయాలి కదా డేటా సేవ్ చేయాలంటే.
ఎస్, బేస్ లెవెల్. ఇది బేస్ లెవెల్కే వస్తుంది చూడండి ఒకసారి. నేను
ఇప్పుడు కమెంట్ ఇప్పుడు బేస్ లెవెల్లో సేవ్ అవుతుందా, సో క్వార్టర్ లెవెల్లో సేవ్ అవుతుందా?
బేస్ లెవెల్లోనే సేవ్ అవుతుందండి ఇది. ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు వచ్చింది? దిస్ ఈజ్ మై C11. ఓకే, ఇంకొకటి కూడా చెప్తాను మీకు. ఇక్కడ డాట్స్ వచ్చాయి చూసారండి, డాట్స్ షుడ్ నాట్ బి ద డాట్. ఇక్కడ కూడా వచ్చింది ఏంటిది మళ్ళీ? EPM save comment C20 Y AC. ఎందుకు వచ్చింది ఇది? ఇక్కడ డాట్ వచ్చింది కదా మనకి. సో దిస్ డాట్, if you want to remove that dot, you go to edit, options, not here, sorry, in the sheet options, formatting, general formatting, refresh, and not here, sorry, ikkade options, ఒక్క నిమిషం అండి, దాన్ని చూపిస్తాను. జస్ట్ ఐమ్ గోయింగ్ టు రీఫ్రెష్ నౌ. ఇది రీఫ్రెష్ అయింది కానీ ఇది అవ్వలేదు. సో user options, yeah, under user option, not there, options, under user options, I'll go to others. ఇక్కడ కమెంట్ సేవ్ అని ఉంది మనకి. ఇక్కడ ఏం లేదనుకోండి, ఎంటీ పెట్టారనుకోండి, దెన్ క్లిక్ ఓకే అండ్ రీఫ్రెష్. C20 where it is, yeah, ఇక్కడ చూపిస్తుంది ఇది. అందుకనే మనకి ఇక్కడ వస్తున్నాయి. ఎక్కడ ఇదవుతుంది? F2 so under user options others save comment లేదండి ఇది ఇక్కడ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి జస్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఒకటి ఎంటర్ చేస్తున్నాను నేను డేటాని, ప్లాన్ డేటాని. సో 50 just comment 2017.Q1 plan submitted. Yes, save. Yes, save, accepted both. It is not backend. If I go execute, so I entered for BS 111, set filter of that. Yeah, here you did not see any Q1, right?
Where can we see the comment in the background?
Background we can see in the tables. ఇక్కడ మీకు ప్లాన్ డేట్ అంతా 1 2 3 4 కి సబ్మిట్ అయింది. సో దెర్ ఈస్ నో సబ్మిషన్ ఫర్ Q1. దిస్ ఈస్ 4 I submitted here for 2017-3. This is the way we can submit. So దీనికి yesterday we have seen one program 38 UJT get gen table. This is the program. ఇప్పుడు మీరేం నేను రేపు క్లియర్గా చెప్తాను. Just going to close this one session. So now environment I'm taking as here UK and my model is sales plan. Execute. My comments will store all the tables will give you related to this. My comments will store in this table. Yesterday just we confused that basically based on the cubes we will get. This is the way. So this is the table. So now in the always the tables you see in SE16, that is the T code. So I'm going to see here in this table. So I have number of entries, 15 entries I have. So just execute. So whatever I posted here for this, see here, Feb 2017 data changed from 40 to 80. Jan plan data was submitted. BS plan data submitted. 2017 Q1 plan data submitted. Test. All this it will post here. You can see the data.
చూస్తే అది 2017 Q1 కి సబ్మిట్ అయింది.
Yes, entire Q1 we submitted for 2017-01-02-03.
Yeah,
మనం అదే కదా
మనం ఇప్పుడు ఇండివిజువల్ మంత్ తీసుకుంటే అది డేటా వస్తుంది అంటారా?
కమెంట్ రాదు, డేటా వస్తుంది, కమెంట్ రాదు.
కమెంట్ రాదు. Okay.
Yes. If I'm going to take 2017 to data వస్తుంది మీకు. Data
Comment.
whatever you submitted, comment is not for this one, right? So that is the reason. Comment is not submitted for 2017-02. We submitted 2017.Q1. ఇక్కడ డేటా మీకు రీఫ్రెష్ అవ్వాలి అంటే ఇవంతా ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ అంతా ప్రాపర్గా ఉండాలి, సో దట్ ద డేటా విల్ గెట్ పాపులేటెడ్. Q1 గత తీసుకుని మీరు refresh, data was populated here with including comment. So this is the way we can prepare the comments report. Okay, Nandi. So then okay. So now just going to go save input forms, save. This is the one. Okay. సో రిమైనింగ్ రేపు చూద్దామండి, ఓవర్లాప్ ఫంక్షన్ అండ్ ఇంకొకటి ఇక్కడ మర్చిపోయాం కదా ఫార్మాటింగ్ది. సారీ, ఇక్కడ ఫార్మాటింగ్ ఒకటి ఆగిపోయింది మనకి. సారీ, ప్రాపర్టీ ఇక్కడ బేస్ లెవెల్లో మెంబర్ ఆఫ్ సెట్ ఒకటి, మెంబర్ ప్రాపర్టీ రెండు ఉన్నాయి, అవి చూద్దాము కూడా. ఇది ఒకసారి మీరు ప్రిపేర్ చేయండి, ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి, దీన్ని వచ్చేస్తుంది ఈజీగా. చూడండి. ఓకేనా అండి?
Okay.
సరే అండి, థ్యాంక్స్ అండి.